not in our formal education curriculum, particularly at the basic level. We only meet geoscience or earth science at the tertiary level. So we are missing the information from the beginning, right? Our understanding of the earth, which will help us build consciousness about taking care of the earth. We don't have that from the beginning. So the people we've tried to put together today in this room, we have educators, we have people who are trained.
Because we live on this planet. You cannot take care of something you don't value. And how do you value a thing if you don't know?